Hello students, how are you? Myself Sanjay Suman, your computer teacher, and this is your first video for class 3 students, and we're going to learn Introduction to Computer. Before we start the chapter, we have to know about some steps to how a machine work and what is the process to work any type of machines like computer itself. Let us understand how a computer works with the help of some examples or activities. Here is given two examples in your book. Suppose your mother wants to make bread toast in the toaster. It involves the following steps. Step 1, she puts slice of bread input inside the toaster, and step 2, the toaster toast means processing the bread for some times, and step 3, you get the bread toast output as a result. Next, another example to illustrate input, processing and output is our daily life use pencil. As we seal in the finger, we use a new pencil as input, sharpen it with sharpener, like we can say it processing, and when it's sharpened the pencil, we can say it the output. Okay, input, processing and output. There same ways, all machines generally follow these three steps: input, processing and output. A computer is also a machine. It also follows three steps. For example, when we add two numbers, say 2 and 5, on the computer, the following three steps will happen. What are these steps? Step 1, just type 2 and give plus command. And step 2, a computer add the two number according to your instructions. This is the processing. And step 3, the result of adding 2 and 5 is 7. That is displayed on the monitor, that is output. Means when we add 2 and 5, it's processing and gives the result 7. Input, adding means processing, and sum, output. Thus, a computer accepts our data, processes it, and gives the meaningful output. The process of input, processing and output of data is called IPO process, means input process output cycle. Now we learn about our computer system. All we have seen a computer with all the parts and in your computer lab, isn't it? This one is monitor, its CPU, its speaker, its keyboard and mouse. Do you know all the computer is also called system? A system means computer system. Computer system can simply be defined as a machine that is used to generate information from data. Our computer is divided into two parts, mainly two parts. It's hardware and software. Okay, boys and girls, do you know when we play games on a computer, a game is an example of computer software, and the various things like mouse, keyboard, monitor, joystick, CPU, with all these are the example of hardware. When we draw a picture using a mouse in a paint program, The paint program is an example of computer software and the mouse is an example of hardware. Both hardware and software help the computer do its work. Students, now let us learn about the computer hardware and software in detail. First of all, know about computer hardware. A computer hardware refers to the parts of computer system such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, printer, scanner, speakers, microphones, etc. These are the example of computer hardware. In other words, computer hardware refers to all the electronics and mechanical parts that we can touch. Okay, this is known as computer hardware. They work together to run the computer system. You know that some of the body parts like brain, heart, liver, lungs are inside our body. Similarly, the computer also has some hardware parts inside it, means inside the CPU box. Okay, some example of such internal hardwares are motherboard, microprocessor, RAM, ROM, SMPS, hard disk, and many more. In your book, some of the figures are given here. This is SMPS, means switch mode power supply in our motherboard's circuit board. Hard disk drive, RAM, it's a motherboard itself, and microprocessor. Okay. Next point is computer software. Software is a set of program or instructions that tells a computer what to do and how to do. Some of the popular softwares are, as we know, Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Game softwares, Photoshop softwares, or operating system software, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, etc. Okay. Now, we learn about the types of software. There are two types of software, application software and system software. Application software is a software that helps us in performing some specific task. For example, we use paint program to draw. We cannot use to do sum using paint. To calculate, we use calculator program. Some other softwares are like Paint, Calculator, Windows Media Player, MS Word, isn't it? And at last is system software. It is the main part of our computer system. As your parent, control them and manage different works at your home. The system software controls them and manages the overall activities of a computer system. So the system software is like a manager of different things in a computer system. System software runs the application software. They are starts your computer. As computer also start with it. It is called operating system. Operating system is an example of system software. It is the first software installed on the computer system. After that, we can use any types of application software in our PC or our systems of computer. The Windows operating system in your computer is an example of system software. Some of the example of system softwares are Linux, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, okay, Windows XP, etc. Now students, your chapter is finished. Now you have to do some exercises. Just practice it. Write some hardware and software examples here in your book. Do all exercises A, B and all question answer itself. Okay students, and learn all the subjects question answers. Okay, thank you.